where I have you guys buy a ticket to something or some sort of merch or something like that off my page, and you can get this Lincoln Town Car. So if you've been following my page and watching this Lincoln Town Car content I've been posting, you might actually recognize this spot. And I'll throw a clip up from the other video. We were here when I did the top 5 things I hate or dislike about the Lincoln Town Car. And it was back when it was warm and there wasn't this snow. And if you guys have been watching my content, you know that I posted a video just the other day of like a point of view driving experience in the Lincoln Town Car. And I told you I was gonna take you down some of my favorite roads and that it looks really nice. Well, because of the goofy way I had the camera set up on my head, I got a little bit of a shot of that point of view driving, but definitely not as much out the windshield as I wanted to, which was kind of like the whole point of the video in a sense. So we are going to do basically like another point of view driving experience, but this time we got some snow. So this is like the Lincoln Town Car driving in the snow for the first time. So let's hop in here because I'm freezing, because as you see, I only have a t-shirt on, and I'll explain why. You gotta love the heated seats in this thing. Even though it's a 20-year-old car, these heated seats, you turn them on, these babies, they heat. These things get hot. So the reason why I'm standing out here filming this video for you guys with only a t-shirt on is because I actually just got out of work. I didn't have a change of clothes. So that's the reason why I'm only in this t-shirt. I gotta put a hoodie in this car so I could just, if I gotta do videos after work, I could just throw that on. But you see, we're in here, we got the heat cranking, we got the rear defrost on, melted off some of that stuff, that snow, that slush. And guys, I know this isn't a lot of snow, it's just like a little dusting basically, but you know, it's exciting. First time the Lincoln Town Car's in some snow, so let's just get right into it. Man, one of my favorite things about this car that I didn't know that I was gonna like so much, because this is actually my first car that I have that actually has one of these, is the column shifter. Just like the clunk, like the mechanical, like it just sounds so solid when you do it. I love the column shifter. I don't know. All right, so you remember how the other video I was bragging about the view and how much I love it, and you guys saw basically absolutely nothing? Well, this is what I was trying to show you guys. Driving through here at night is brutal because of the deer, so I don't even do it. But during the day, especially with this dusting that we got of snow, it's pretty nice. Nice change of scenery, huh? So as I'm doing this, you guys are kind of just taking this all in and cruising along with me here, I wanted to kind of just discuss a little bit about what we got going on with this channel. But before we get into that, I just want to give you guys a fair warning. This is your warning. This is your heads up. So the remainder of this video was kind of just me cruising these back roads, giving you guys a shot of this scenery of these back roads and kind of ranting and talking about what my future plans are for this channel, basically for the remainder of the year, as well as after that, and what like my vision is and my plan is moving forward. So I'm just giving you a heads up. If you want to keep watching it, that's perfectly fine. I encourage you to keep watching it because there's still some good information in the video, but I don't want you guys to comment and be like, oh, what the heck, man, you were just like talking for so long, because this is just, I'm filling you guys in. It's just a video, you know. I have plenty of other content on my page of me talking about the car, walking around and doing all that. So if you want to check that out, leave and go check it out. Let's roll the tape. Let's check it out. Let's cruise and find out maybe about a potential Lincoln Town Car giveaway down the line of the channel, maybe raffling this Lincoln Town Car off, as well as a new vehicle on the channel. You gotta listen though. Check it out. And the car content will always be here. I'm always here to make car content. It's a passion of mine. I love doing it. I love all different types of cars, trucks, and yeah, that's gonna be here for a while. But if you guys have been subscribed to me or you have notifications turned on, you guys see that I post just a little bit about everything, and I post other stuff, not just this Town Car content. Some of that stuff, it includes my shorter comedy style videos, which is how I got a little bit of a following for myself actually on Instagram and Facebook, is doing the comedy type stuff. And lately, especially if you saw my last video I just posted, me and my girlfriend Des did a little food review, and we did a pizza one some time back. The one we posted yesterday was a cookie one. And don't get me wrong, I love doing Town Car content and car content, but I just like to switch it up every once in a while. And I'd love this channel to eventually be, you know, like a vlog style channel where every day I'm kind of just posting, vlogging, whether it's about my car, whether it's the food review stuff, you know, just basically anything content related, because I truly do love posting videos. She still shifts buttery smooth even after 20 years, but only 36,000 miles, so that might be part of the reason. It's kind of where I'm at for this channel. I know a lot of you guys are expecting the car content, and I'm gonna keep dropping that, but I'm just giving you a heads up that, you know, every once in a while I'll be switching it up with just a different type of video. And since we are talking about it, I actually want to go over my 2 goals that I have for this year, this 2024. We're in January right now, and I'm gonna put this on this video to see if we could actually make it happen by the end of this year. So the first goal of mine is going to be to hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel by the end of this year, by the end of 2024. And speaking of that, I'm kind of ashamed, I'm kind of mad at some of you guys. You look at these numbers I'm pulling up from my analytics here. The percentages of people that view my content that are subscribed and the percentage that is not. But guys, come on, we got to get these numbers better. So 10,000 subscribers is the first goal. The second goal is to be making enough income on this channel, enough monthly income to be able to fund the purchase of a new vehicle. Now, for those of you that don't know, there's a thing called the YouTube Partner Program, which basically means after you reach a certain criteria, you're able to monetize your videos. And that's why you guys see ads on my videos in the beginning, or sometimes in the middle. You'll see ads that you could skip eventually after 5 seconds usually. But the way it works is YouTube gets a cut of that ad revenue, and so do I. But how much money you make is basically based off of how many views you get on your videos. So in short, the more views that you get, the more money you make. Now, obviously, my channel is nowhere near that. I actually just got my first YouTube check. And let me tell you something, it is nowhere near even $1,000. But it's a start, and I'm making it my mission this year to really lock in on YouTube and get as much content out as I possibly can and stay consistent as possible with it. And I'm hoping that if I continue to do that and continue to get more of a following, we could eventually get a new car on this channel to continue making car content on. Now, if it were up to me, that car, or I should say truck or SUV, would be, at the moment, a Dodge Durango SRT with the big 6.4 liter V8 in it. And the reason for that is because they're literally going to stop making the Hellcat, the SRTs. I mean, Dodge is going to be going more towards electric vehicles and twin turbos and hybrids, just like the majority of the car industry is going right now. And as someone that loves big V8 cars, obviously, as you see with this car, and just older stuff, I feel like buying that truck, that SUV, Durango with that V8, is just like a piece of history, just like this car. You know, if you get something like that, it's kind of like, wow, 2024 is the last model year that they're doing the big Durango, you know, with the bigger engine in it, the Hellcat, the SRT, etc. So if you own one of those 2024s, it's basically like you have that last final piece of history. I mean, look at this car. They don't do anything like this anymore. V8, rear-wheel drive, body-on-frame, luxury sedan. I mean, they stopped these in 2011. Now they're trying to stop basically V8s, period. So as a car guy who loves the classic big V8 engines, I feel like it's only right if I were to somehow be able to get my hands on that Durango. Now, keep in mind, that Durango I'm talking about is like, I don't know, $70-something thousand. I'll throw the price up on the screen. So it is a lot of money. So obviously that car payment, I don't know, I can't even imagine, especially with the way interest rates are. I mean, it's got to be $1,000 plus for that car. But if I was making $1,000 a month on YouTube consistently, I'd go ahead and grab it. I wouldn't have a problem getting it. Because when I did first get monetized just recently, I basically made an agreement with myself, and I told Des this too, where I said, you know, any money that I make off of YouTube, it's fun money. I do have a full-time job, and that full-time job is what, you know, is my safety net that pays for to live and my expenses and everything like that. But I did tell myself that if I start making some, you know, decent money on YouTube, I'm going to use that money as fun money to invest it back into the channel, whether it's with a new car, truck, motorcycle, whether it's traveling to different places to do different types of content, whatever the case may be. That is the plan with the money. And I want to eventually get to the point where I'm able to do some sort of giveaways for you guys and my subscribers and stuff like that. Like, let's say my channel blew up. I could do a giveaway where I have you guys buy a ticket to something or some sort of merch or something like that off my page, and you can get this Lincoln Town Car. Like, that is the type of stuff I'm trying to do. So that's going to conclude the video for today, guys. I just wanted to get on here and kind of get you guys a better shot of what I was talking about. And during all my ranting and blabbering, if you're still watching this video right now, during all that ranting and blabbering, I hope that you enjoyed that little scenic cruise in the Lincoln Town Car. So yeah, we have officially had the LTC driven in the snow for the first time. And I know this snow isn't really sticking on the ground and stuff, but it was still nice to, you know, see the trees, you know, as Damo would say, you know, check out a nice little change of scenery, you know. And keep in mind, this is the last time you are going to see the Lincoln Town Car with no window tint, because the next video after this is going to be of my appointment on Monday of getting this baby tinted. So get a good look now, because pretty soon these windows are going to be blacked out. But that's going to conclude today's video, guys. Thanks for checking it out. I hope you guys had a good weekend. And as always, we will see you guys on the next video when we get this baby tinted. Peace!